Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps not downloading from Play Store on BLACKSHARK patch 7 Pro. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna clean the cache and storage from our Play Store. We're gonna go to settings. In order to do that, open apps, and in the apps we should see the Google Play Store either in recently open apps, or if you click on see all apps, you will have to scroll down to the letter G. Now in the G you should have the Google Play Store. We're gonna tap on it and we're gonna go to storage and cache. Here we have the user data, the cache. We're gonna clear the cache and clear the storage. Now we have user data and cache of 0 bytes, so there's nothing. And we can go back into the Play Store. Of course, as you guys can see, what we will have to do is simply open it up. Now we can choose the app that we want to download, for an example. And let's say I want to download, for example, Block Blast. Okay, that's, we'll say, quick decision. We're gonna click install, and as you guys can see, it's pending. We got 0% out of 112. And it's slowly downloading. So as you guys can see, that's how you guys can fix your apps not downloading from the Play Store. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.